So using this few minutes, let me show how to do the updation, because I know it's when you are doing practical, it's not easy. It will take time. It's like, so we have planned to finish the lesson, but with the practicals and your errors, I had to connect and correct those. But that is okay. That's totally okay because we all are learning. So don't worry, it's not delaying the class. It gives you an opportunity to learn, all of you. All of you have had the opportunity to learn. So when someone do an error, be happy, because you can also learn from that error. Others can also learn. So I think Netuli has done that. That's good. Situm, did you complete it? What karada Situm? Karada නැත්නම් කරන්න බැරි වුණාද? Situm, hello. Yeah, I think he's responded in chat. Yes, he also did it. Yes, good. So if you have done this, let's see how to do the updation. So now this code is working. Now we can see the edit button. Okay, everything is there, but only thing is not updating. I have to go and create the update one. Let me save this, close this, and I'm going to take update new file. This is update.php. This is where the data is going to go, and this is a PHP file. In this PHP file, I'm asking to echo or print out the post request, $_post request coming from the other file. I'm asking to print that as an array, just to see what's coming from the previous page. So then let me go, and then this is my code. So let me load my web page. Okay, then I'm going to click edit, and you can see it's going to here, Sitmi Amanda 2. When I click edit the second one, it's Sitmi Amanda 2. When I click edit in the first one, it gets again Sitmi Amanda 2. That's the problem. When I click first one, it should. So that is again my logic error. I have to go and search how this happened. So because it should here Sitmi Amanda, that is okay. But second one also Sitmi Amanda cannot be like that. So let me refresh and try. Still the same. It's not unique. So I have to go and check the error now again. So let me go to my code. This is my index, and I'm going to edit this. Okay, first FNLN, when you click on the first button, first FNLN is, okay, let's do something like this. So rather than using two buttons, let me go and see the code. So this is how our code look like. So first one Netuli, here value Netuli, name is fn, here also ln, then second one also this is hit me, his record, her record also, it's fn and ln. That is not unique, so that is the issue. So I have to tell fn1 fn2 likewise. So let me concatenate some part to this. I'm going to concatenate the id here to make it more unique. Here also I'm going to concatenate the ID. So then let me save, go refresh and click edit now. Now you can see it's sent in FN3 Netuli Senanaik, FN2 Sitmi Amanda. So now it's unique, it's not single. So when I send this one again, it will send FN3, send it now. So let me take this, let me cache this in update file. This is my update.php. I have to catch this file. Okay, let's say $fn first name equal $_ post. I have to take the first name, right? But I have to take all the first names and last names, right? I don't know how many first names and last names going to come because it's sending all this data. And if I select only one record, that's easy. If I select only one record, that's easy. But I am having multiple records, so I have to get all the records. But in your level, it might be difficult. So therefore, I'm going to change this just by sending one record. So to do that, I'll edit my code here. I'll edit my code just to edit one record at one time. Otherwise, people try to edit multiple records, might be a problem. Because not a problem, but will make this complex. I'm going to add a radio button here. Input type radio. Input type is radio. And if this radio button says edit ed, name equal ed, and that's it. I'm going to add the same radio button here. Input, sorry, after the first name, after the last name, I'm going to add the radio button, ed, right? And the value, I'm going to put the value, this id as the value. This id as the value. Okay, then I don't need this part because I'm going to edit only one. I'm going to edit only one. So I don't need this value, or I can even put it, that is okay. So let's keep it. And here now in my code, so let me go to my code. Here I can see edit button, and I can edit only one at a time. I can't edit both. I can either edit this one or this one. Based on the one that I have selected, when I go to edit, it says here ed equal tree. Record tree must be edited. That means this fn tree. So if I click this one and click edit, here id, you can see id equal to, sorry, so where's ed? Yes, ed equal tree here also, and the second one, say id equal to, here ed equal to, anyway. So it says what to edit. It says what to edit. Based on that, I can select which record to edit. ed equal 2 කියන්නේ දෙවනි record එක තමයි edit කරන්න ඕනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ සිත්මි අමන්දා. ed equal 3 කියලා આવොත් edit කරන්න ඕන මේ ed equal 3 කියලා આવොත් edit කරන්න ඕන නෙතුලිගේ record එක. එතකොට අපි දන්නවා මොන record එකද edit කරන්න. මට දැන් edit කරන්න ඕනේ මට වෙනස් කරන්න පුළුවන්. Let's say නෙතුලි සේනානායක කියලා KA දාලා I can click edit and it say tree need to be edit and value is සේනානායක. Now I'm getting the value, and since our time is running out, so the thing is that so this part you have to add. This part you have to add. Then I have to write the update query. Only thing is I have to write the update query here. Let me show. If I'm updating this to KA and press enter, you can see this is the update query. Update TBL student set Sena Nayaka where table student ID equal 3. Now you can get this ID through that radio button. You can get this ID through that radio button.